Morning students, welcome to the virtual classes provided by DAV Thermal. Beta, in the last session we have done tenses, present tense. I hope all of you understood. We have discussed present indefinite tense also and present continuous. Today we will discuss present perfect tense. So worksheet 9, complete the following using to the past perfect tense of the verbs given in the bracket. So what we have to use in past perfect tense? Third, had plus third form of verb. So I'm giving you one or two example. Rest of the exercise you have to solve. First of all, see the remember column. Past perfect tense is used to talk about an action completed before a given moment in the past. So when I reached home, she had already cleaned the room. Past perfect action 2 and action 1. Past perfect, here is a action 1. Past action 2, that is the time of speaking. So see the first sentence, I dash my baby sister. I had promised, had plus third form, and I would take her to the children park if she behaved nicely throughout the day. When I reached bed in the evening, I was pleasantly surprised to see that my sister had cleaned. It means in this exercise you have to use only had plus third form. And now in worksheet 10 we have to use simple past and past perfect. Simple past, the second form of the verb we have to use past perfect had plus third form. So when the two sentences are there, you have to use in first part simple past and the second part the past perfect. Okay, see this exercise in the B part, you have to use past perfect and simple past. Chuni was a very clever girl who always studied. This is a simple past, hard and obeyed her elders. One day when her mother went to the market, when go is the second form of when Chuni had said. This is the past perfect. Down to her homework, suddenly she smelled. Again, this is the second form of verb when she had looked out of the window. I hope all of you cleared this thing, and rest of the part you have to solve your own. Now worksheet 11. In worksheet 11 what we have to use present perfect continuous tense. In present perfect tense is used to express an act that began in the past, is in progress at the time of speaking, and will continue for some time in the future or had just ended. In this tense, we have to use has, have been plus first form plus ing. And the time is also given. We have to use for and since. For is indefinite time, since is for definite time. So you have to make few sentences. I'm giving you one or two example. Rest of the part you have to solve your own. See this example, Tina has been talking to Rakhi since the first period. The first period is a definite time, so that's why we have to use since. Now the next is Eva has been solving English practice book since the English period. Again, this is the fixed time is there, so that's why the sense is there. In worksheet 12, present continuous and present perfect tense. You know, all of you, in present continuous tense we have to use is rm plus first form plus ing, and present perfect tense we have to use has have plus third form. So according to that, you have to fill this exercise in B part beta. I'm giving you one or two example. Rest of the part you have to try to solve your own. First is he is writing a book these days. And the second part, he has been writing it for over a years now. Second part, please go inside the manager office. He has been waiting for you since morning. The third sentence, social evils such as child marriage and dowry system have been harming our country for centuries. So in this part, we have to use present continuous, is rm plus first form, and the present perfect tense, continuous tense, we have to use has been, have been plus first form plus ing plus since and for. I hope all of you clear, and you have to solve rest of the part. Now we will discuss worksheet 13, talking about future. Here now we'll discuss the future tense. You know the future means tomorrow. Here we have to use the will and shall plus first form. So according to that, we have to discuss worksheet 14. See this thing. Read the passage given below where a person is trying to convince the bank manager to lend him some money for his food joint. So complete the passage by filling future time form. First part, you see, sir, I am going to open a few joint in the city, but it will take. In future indefinite tense, we have to use will and shall plus first form. Will take me a lot of money to start it. I shall buy a piece of land and construct it. Then I shall get it furnished. You know, everywhere we have to use will and shall plus first form. Now, future continuous tense. Like that, in present continuous, we have to use is rm plus first form plus ing. In past continuous tense, we have to use was were plus first form plus ing. In future tense, we have to use will be plus first form plus ing. Will be and shall be. So here is, you have to make few sentences. Here the hints are given. With the help of hints, you have to make sentences by using future continuous tense. Like that, Maria, a typist. Myra will be typing official letters. Tom, a cook. Tom will be cooking food. Mr. Kingsley. Mr. Kingsley will be conducted meeting as CEO. I hope all of you clear this. How will you use this future tense? And based on that, you have to fill this exercise. In worksheet 16, we have to use future perfect tense. In future perfect tense, we have to use will have, shall have plus third form. So all of you clear, I think? We have already given this table also. So based on this thing, you have to see these exercises. You have to just imagine something. Here the first part is there, like that. Read the following prediction. You have to predict something. By the year 2100, solar power will have replaced electricity generated by water, and clothes made of metal will have replaced clothes made of fiber and cotton. This is just a prediction. Based on this thing, you have some clues are there. You have to make few prediction. Buses. I think buses will have stopped plying on the road. Public air services will have taken their places. So second is road. How will you make sentence? I think roads will have equipped with electronic devices. So based on this prediction, you have to use, by using present perfect tense, you have to make few sentences. So try to solve it. Now do it yourself. Again, whatever the tenses we have discussed in this unit, the present tense, past, future. So based on these three tenses, you have to fill this exercise. I am giving you one para, rest of the part you have to solve your own. It's a case of murder. The motive seems to be something more than just robbery. When I reached the scene, the police already started. Here the second form of verb, simple past tense is there. In the first part, the present tense is there. Investigating, two constables were examining. Here is a past continuous tense, the furniture and other articles of the house very carefully. They obviously were looking, again the past continuous tense, for some fingerprints. So I hope all of you clear. How will you fill it these exercises? With the help of tenses. So you have to read it carefully and try to solve it. Now the last exercise is there. Complete the following by filling an appropriate tense of verbs. Again, you have to read the sentence carefully and see whether you have to fill present, past or future tense. I'm giving you few sentences. First of all, I will solve. Rest of the part you have to solve your own. Surbhi was divine cow of Devas, and she was living in heaven. One day Indra find is given. Here is you have to fill past tense found. Surbhi crying. He went to her and asked affectionately, "Why are you crying, my dear Surbhi?" Surbhi said, "O Lord, all the bulls and cow who are living on the earth are my children. So look at them. They are working so hard to plow the fields. They are suffering under the yoke, pains. It makes me cry." So I hope all of you clear. How will you fill these tenses? So you have to revise this chapter of tenses carefully and you have to solve the remaining worksheet. Thank you. Have a nice day.